Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Samsung Bespoke Jet versus Samsung Jet 90. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which vacuum cleaner is better. So the main difference between Samsung Bespoke Jet and Samsung Jet 90 is their suction power, which impacts their vacuuming performance. The Samsung Bespoke Jet has 210 AW suction power, compared to the 200 AW of the Jet 90. Due to this difference, a performance test rated the performance ability of the Bespoke Jet at 9 out of 10, while that of the Bespoke 90 at 8 out of 10, on hard floors and carpets. Therefore, the Bespoke Jet has a higher vacuuming performance thanks to its higher suction power. Battery life. The Samsung Bespoke Jet has two combined batteries, lasting 90 to 100 minutes, depending on the suction setting. On the other side, the Samsung Jet 90 has one battery that lasts 45 to 50 minutes on a single charge. Although you must toggle the batteries, Bespoke Jet has a higher battery life. Maneuverability. The Samsung Bespoke Jet is 5.7 pounds, compared to the Jet 90, which is 6.17 pounds. Due to its light weight, the Bespoke Jet is more maneuverable than the Jet 90. Cost. The Samsung Bespoke Jet is offered at significantly higher price than the Jet 90. If you're on a budget, the Jet 90 is more affordable. Comparison table. The table above shows that the Bespoke Jet has an automatic emptying station that allows you to empty without making a mess. Also, the charging station allows you to charge the two batteries simultaneously. Conversely, the Jet 90 has a bigger bin, allowing you to vacuum for longer without emptying. Similarities. The Bespoke Jet and Jet 90 have a freestanding base and a 5-level filtration system in telescoping pipes. They're both cordless, enhancing their maneuverability, and a tool that enhances vacuuming in crevices. Verdict. So, which is better? The Samsung Bespoke Jet is the better vacuum cleaner because of its higher suction power, enhancing performance. Its two batteries give it a longer battery life, and its lightweight enhances its maneuverability. The Samsung Jet 90 is affordable. It's excellent when on the budget. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us.